Capitals and countries. Question number 1. What is the capital of China? Answer: Beijing. Second, which of the following city is the capital of Canada? Answer: Ottawa. Question number 3. What is the capital of Brazil? Answer: Brasilia. Question number 4. Kabul is the capital of which country? Answer: Afghanistan. Question number 5. Which of the following city is the capital of Bolivia? Answer: Sucre. Next question. Tirana is capital city of which country? Answer: Albania. What is the capital of Benin? Porto Novo. Capital of Cambodia is? Answer: Phnom Penh. Next question. What is the capital of Bulgaria country? Answer: Sofia. Algiers is the capital of which country? Answer: Algeria. Question number 11. What is the capital of Belize? Answer: Belmopan. Capital of Cameroon is Yaoundé. Next question. What is the capital of Colombia country? Answer: Bogota. Capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. Andorra la Vella is the capital of which country? Answer: Andorra. Which of the following city is the capital of Cuba? Answer: Havana. Santiago is the capital city of which country? Chile. Capital of Comoros is Moroni. Luanda is the capital of which country? Angola. What is the capital of Chad? N'Djamena. Capital of Bahrain is Manama. Capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. Capital of Azerbaijan is Baku. Capital of Belarus is Minsk. Capital of Botswana is Gaborone. Next question. Yerevan is the capital of which country? Answer: Armenia. Capital of Brunei is Bandar Seri Begawan. What is the capital of Burkina Faso? Ouagadougou. Capital of Cape Verde is Praia. Capital of Australia is Canberra. Bujumbura is the capital city of which country? Answer: Burundi. Capital of Costa Rica is San Jose. Capital of Croatia is Zagreb. Capital of Cyprus is Nicosia. Vienna is the capital of which country? Answer: Austria. Capital of Egypt is Cairo. Capital of Fiji is Suva. Capital of Ethiopia is Addis Ababa. Next question. Capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Capital of Finland is Helsinki. Paris is the capital of which country? France. Capital of Gambia is Banjul. Brussels is the capital city of which country? Belgium. Capital of Georgia is Tbilisi. Capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Berlin is the capital of which country? Germany. Which of the following city is the capital of Ghana? Answer: Accra. Next question. Athens is the capital of which country? Greece. What is the capital of Hungary? Budapest. Capital of Iceland is Reykjavik. Capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. Capital of Iran is Tehran. Baghdad is the capital city of which country? Answer, Iraq. Capital of Ireland is Dublin. Capital of Israel is Jerusalem. Rome is the capital of which country? Answer, Italy. Capital of Jamaica is answer, Kingston. Tokyo is the capital of which country? Answer, Japan. Capital of Kazakhstan is Astana. Which of the following city is the capital of Kenya? Answer, Nairobi. Capital of Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. Capital of Laos is Vientiane. What is the capital of Latvia? Answer, Riga. Capital of Lebanon is Beirut. Capital of Liberia is Monrovia. Sorry. Capital of Libya is Tripoli. What is the capital of Lithuania? Answer, Vilnius. Capital of Luxembourg is Luxembourg. Capital of Madagascar is Antananarivo. Kuala Lumpur is capital of Malaysia. Capital of Maldives is Male. Bamako is the capital city of which country? Answer, Mali. Capital of Malta is Valletta. Capital of Mauritius is Port Louis. Mexico City is the capital of which country? Answer, Mexico. Which of the following city is the capital of Monaco? Answer, Monaco. Capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. Capital of Morocco is Rabat. Capital of Mozambique is Maputo. Capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw. What is the capital of Namibia? Windhoek. Kathmandu is the capital of which country? Answer, Nepal. Capital of Netherlands is Amsterdam. Abuja is the capital city of which country? Nigeria. Capital of New Zealand is Wellington. What is the capital of Norway? Answer, Oslo. Capital of Oman is Muscat. Capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Capital of Philippines is Manila. Capital of Poland is Warsaw. Capital of Portugal is Lisbon. Capital of Qatar is Doha. Capital of Romania is Bucharest. Moscow is the capital of which country? Answer, Russia. Capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Which of the following city is the capital of Serbia? Answer, Belgrade. What is the capital of Seychelles? Victoria. Capital of Sierra Leone is Freetown. Capital of South Africa is Cape Town. Seoul is the capital of which country? Answer, South Korea. Capital of South Sudan is Juba. Capital of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardene Puro Koti. What is the capital of Spain? Madrid. Capital of Sudan is Khartoum. Capital of Sweden is Stockholm. Capital of Syria is Damascus. Capital of Thailand is Bangkok. Capital of Uganda is Kampala. Capital of Uzbekistan is Tashkent. Capital of Gabon is Libreville. Capital of Mauritania is Nouakchott. Capital of Togo is Lome. New Delhi is the capital city of which country? Answer, India. Capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. Capital of Nora is Yaren. What is the capital of Vanuatu? Answer Mariham. Capital of Vatican City is Vatican City. What is the capital of Peru? Answer Lima.